Hi everyone. We begin our Access assignments this week. They're due obviously November 4th. What's good about Access, first of all, what is Access? Access is a Microsoft product to create a database. And what is a database? Really a filing system. Now the difference between a flat database, meaning that it's not communicating with another database or another table. What we're doing is creating tables so that the tables can interact. So, whenever you try to, just think of whatever you look for on the internet. When you Google something, automatically all of that information pops up. Let's say you want to find out the Academy Awards, who the best actors were for the past 2 or 3 years. You're doing a project on film studies or something like that, and you notice that you get the information very quickly. That data is all stored in a database. That's what a database is, a storage of data. And just think of it as a file cabinet. However, when you have a file cabinet, what happens? You open up the drawer, you pull out one file. We're talking about hard copy now. You pull out one file, and that file doesn't talk to another file, so you have to find something else in that file. This way, when you talk about a records or fields, all of those new terms that are a little different from what you learned when you were doing Excel. So Access is more fun. It's easier to understand, and certainly no formulas or anything like that that you have to create. There is a possibility, but this would be far more advanced, of creating some formulas in Access or doing some more sophisticated more arithmetic features in Access, but it's very, very complicated, very cumbersome, and that's why people use Excel. So the idea of Access or a database, we're just using a Microsoft product, but the idea of a database, a relational database, is to make sure that the databases talk to each other, tables talk to each other, so you can get the information you want from the data. All right, so that's pretty much what it is. This first assignment, of course, is going to set up the tables, give you all the terminology. So it's relatively fun, easier to use, obviously, than Excel was. I want you to realize that for your team assignments, all right, your wiki assignments, okay, I'm just going into a class. Okay, when you create your wiki assignment, it's going to ask you to go into Wiki 20. And I want you to see where Wiki 20 is. All right, Wiki 20 is right underneath Wiki number 2. All right, so Wiki number 20 is right under Wiki number 2. And you realize that Blackboard, anything that's with a 1, it goes under Wiki number 1. Anything with a 2 goes under Wiki number 2. All right, so I just wanted to let you know that. Any questions, please post in Q&A. I'm sure by now you're posting in your own team Q&A. If there's anything that you need further, you want to email me, text me, Skype me, you have all of that information. You have all of that information in the in the contact instructor information. Okay, folks, enjoy. Thanks. Bye-bye.